Part 2! Yeah, I had a surprise guest come in, so we'll get this top finished up here. It's looking really nice. Oh, that feels good. It's got to feel right, you know. The wall thickness just feels right. That looks really nice. Okay, let's do a sanding, and then I think we're ready for a little shellac. Okay. Maybe this outside edge I could get a little bit better. Let's leave well enough alone. Okay. I do want to sand right there a little bit. Hand sanding. I think I got a knot right there. You can kind of see that part. Yeah, that feels good. Okay, so let's put some shellac on this. Okay, a little rag there. Doesn't that look nice? Ooh! Just scrub it in. Shellac's so forgiving. Yeah, just mop it on. It don't matter. Oh yeah, a little burrow right there. That looks nice though. We'll keep that. All right. Catch any drips. Yeah, we'll do that edge too. Okay, let's have a look. Let's have a look. Now this first coat, I'm just gonna brush on and then kind of rag off. And anything that absorbs in is what we want. We'll come back and finish a couple times later. A couple more coats. But this is just where we start. Okay. And I also have a cool little turning I made. So I drilled that hole. Doesn't that look nice? Okay. Let's see how it fits. Okay. That looks pretty good. Ooh, get that lid just right. There we go. We worked so hard to get that lid just right. So I'll go ahead and glue this in. I'll glue this in. That looks cool. That's a neat little box. Thanks for watching. I appreciate it. Thank you so much. Adios.